Okay, this is on a 2017 F-250 Ford. It's a nice truck. What happened is he wanted to, he knows he has a factory alarm, but he also knows that he can bang the windows, vandalize the whole truck, and nothing will fire off, or he won't have any type of alerts if he's inside a building or whatnot. So what we end up doing is I suggested to him to add the shock sensor kit OEM to the factory alarm system. That way, if anybody tries to break the window or try to vandalize the truck, the alarm will fire off. He doesn't have to install another alarm and carry another clicker with him. Everything stays factory. But it is a kit, and it does require an installation for us to add it to the factory alarm system. And then we took it a notch further. He wanted to get an alert if the alarm does fire off. So we went ahead and hooked up the linker unit. So when the alarm fires off, he'll receive a text message to his phone anywhere in the United States, Puerto Rico, and Canada. And also has GPS, so he's able to track the truck from the app as well, and it has security fence. You know, that's an extra add-on that you can add on to the truck. Basically a lot of our customers, they go ahead and just get the shock sensor, and then but we do have a large amount of audience that does get the whole thing. They want the text alert as well. I'm gonna go ahead and pound on the window for a second. The alarm will fire off. This is what the app looks like, by the way, and the text message should be popping up right now. Okay. And what we end up doing is this unit, what it does is when you activate the unit, it does assign a cell phone number, because after all, it's like a cell phone strapped inside your vehicle, if you want to think about it that way, with the /GPS. And what happens is when we download the app and set up the app for the customer, this unit creates contact on your address book. So on iPhones and Androids, what you can do is instead of having it, at least on the iPhone, you can select the ringtone, and then you can set it up when it does come in as a text. You can set it up as a not a ringtone, a text tone. You can set it up as a ringtone. That way it's longer than just a little quick text noise, and almost set it up as it will become like a phone call. And then you can select whatever sound you want. That way you know the difference between somebody calling you or receiving any other type of text message. So it is nice, so that way you don't have to always look at your phone. You'll know when you hear that alarm noise or whatever ringtone you selected, you know it's coming from your device. This alarm was the factory add-on, was installed here in Miami, Florida, by auto alarm specialists on this Ford F-250, and we do have free mobile service. Our numbers are 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.